Hello friends. Friends, in this video we learn what is interlocking and how to done interlocking into glass relay. We will learn interlocking concept very easily. We also learn where interlocking connection is required and how to done interlocking into glass relay. So let's start and first understand what is interlocking and where interlocking connection is required. So interlocking is just interlock to starter or to contactor or to relay. That means if you have to contactor or to starter or to glass relay and you don't want to start both contactor or both relay at the same time, so you need to connect interlocking, because when you done interlocking then your both relay cannot be operated at the same time. For example, if this relay operated by this push button and this relay is operated by this push button, if we press both push button at the same time, then both relay will not operate, because for interlocking is normally used in reverse for starter, and you can done any of the starter where you do not or want to start both contactor or both starter at the same time. Interlocking is just for interlock each other, or it is done by safety factor. Hope you clear what is interlocking. So interlocking is just interlock to starter. That means if we done interlocking connection, then both starter or both contactor will not operate at the same time. I hope you clear this concept. In this video, for interlocking we use two 11-pin glass relay which operate on 240 volt. Okay, we use two 11-pin glass relay. Okay, first understand 11-pin glass relay concept. After that we learn how to provide holding in relay and how to done interlocking connection in this relay. In previous video we learn all about 11-pin glass relay working and connection. We just understand connect terminal of 11-pin relay, and after that we start connection. 11-pin glass relay is also known as 3CO relay. That means in 11-pin relay we have 3 common, 3 NC and 3 NO terminal. That means 9 terminal of 3 common, 3 NC and 3 NO, and 2 point of coil which we need to give supply to operate our relay. So we have 11-pin relay. Now first understand terminal of base of 11-pin relay. You can see that it is a base of 11-pin glass relay. First understand terminal of 11-pin glass relay. You can see that numbering is also given on this relay, but we understand in the drawing. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 1 and 2 as a 4 point, 3 is here and 9 is here. You can see that 3 and 9 here, 4 is a here, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 4 point is given here. In this relay we first understand which is common, which is NC and NO. Drawing is given here, but we understand from this drawing. Okay, so in this relay 2 and 10 is a coil. Okay, if your relay is operate on 220 volt, then you need to give 220 volt to 2 and 10. If your relay operate 24 volt, then you need to provide 24 volt to 2 and 10. Our relay operating voltage is 220, so we first provide 220 volt to 2 and 10 point. Okay, 1 is a common. You can see that 1 is a common and 4 is a NC. That means when relay is in stop position, okay, when relay is in stop position, so one supply goes to the 4 point. Okay, because 1 and 4 is NC and 1 and 3 is NO. 1 and 3 NO, because what that mean? That means when relay start position, okay, when relay start position, then when supply comes, one supply comes to the 3 number point is a basic concept. Okay, now 11 is a common, 11 and 8 is a NC and 11 and 9 is a NO. Okay, 5 is a common, 5 and 6 is a NC and 5 and 7 is a NO. Okay, I hope you clear this concept. Now we understand how to done this connection. Okay, we have 3 push button, one is stop push button, one for this relay and one start for this relay. We have 2 NO element and 1 NC element. As we know our relay is 220 volt, so we connect a neutral directly to the 10 number. 2 and 10 is a coil, so we connect both 10 number terminal neutral directly. Okay, so we connect first neutral connection directly. After that we will learn all concept. Now we connect neutral to both relay 10 number point. Okay, we connect one wire for phase wire from control MCB, and first we given stop push button. Okay, when we press the stop push button, our starter will stop. So first we connect phase to the stop push button NC element. Okay, first we connect here, and connection make sure full tight. Now we connect two looping here for two push button. Okay, one for this push button NO element, and one for this push button NO element. Okay, we connect the input supply to both push button from NC element. Now when we press this push button, this relay will operate. When we press this push button, this relay will operate. Okay, just a simple connection. So first we connect one connector here, and connect a connector here, and we want, when we press this push button, this relay will operate, but with interlocking this relay. That means if this relay is stop, then relay operate. If this relay is in start position, then this relay will not operate because of interlocking. So we use NC terminal of this relay for operating this first relay. Okay, for this we use one common point and one NC point. Okay, you can use any of the common and any of the NC point for this control wiring. We use 11 number common point first, and also use 11 and common point R. Now we take one connector from 8 number point, because 11 and 8, 11 common and 8 is a NC. When relay is stop position, 11 supply goes to the 8 number point. So we connect one connector from 8 number point of glass relay. Okay, first we connect glass relay 8 number point, one connector, and by this NC we connect this relay coil. Okay, when we press this push button, this relay operate by this relay interlocking. Okay, first relay operate with second relay interlocking. Okay, we connect here. Okay, this relay, first relay will operate when second relay is in stop position. Now we connect one connector from this push button. Okay, we connect one connector here. When this push button press, our second relay will operate. Okay, so we connect one connector here, and for operating second relay we do interlocking connection with first relay. Okay, second relay only operate when first relay is in a stop position, because we are doing interlocking with common and NC points of glass relay. For this relay we use 11 number point, which is common point. Okay, now we will done same connection for glass relay second. That means we use glass relay 8 number point, which is NC with 11. That means this relay will stop, then 11 supply goes to the 8 number point. So we connect one connector to the relay 8 number point. Okay, then we give supply to the relay coil, which is 2 number point, of glass relay. We connect this wire to glass relay coil. Okay, now first understand how it operate. After that we provide holding connection, because now our relay will operate, but only when we press push button. If we stop pressing, our relay will stop, because we do not provide holding connection of. Now first check how it works. Okay, control MCB on. When we press this push button, this relay operate. Okay, this relay operate, but only manually. Okay, when we press this push button, this relay operate, but only manually. Okay, manually. If we press both push button at the same time, then both will not operate. Okay, Now if you want to operate both relay permanently, so you need to connect a holding supply. So understand how to provide holding supply in glass relay. First understand how to provide holding supply in contactor. So we take one supply from NC output or NO input. We take one holding supply here, okay, and connect contactor NO terminal, okay, and we connect one coil from this contactor NO to here, okay. That means holding supply directly comes here, okay. When contactor operate, this NO makes NC and supply comes here, okay. When relay operate, this supply comes here and goes to the contactor coil, okay, and our contactor hold permanently. So same phenomena will apply on this relay, okay. We use one coil to one common point looping, okay. We use two number to one number, two coil, and one is a common. We use one, we connect one connector to 2 to 1 to the both relay. First we connect connector. Now we connect looping to the coil to common point, coil to common, one number. We connect two coil to one common, okay. Now we need to give holding supply. So we take holding supply from NC output side or NO input side. So we take holding supply from here. So we connect one holding supply here because here supply comes continuously. So we connect one connector here and connect NO input side. Now we connect this holding supply to 3 number point because 1 and 3 is a NO, okay. When relay operate, 3 supply goes to the 1 and we connect connector. So our relay will operate permanently, okay. So we need to give holding supply to both relay. So we connect one more connector here. Now we connect this holding supply to 3 number point, which is NO with one number common point, okay. So we connect a holding supply here. Now we connect this holding supply to same this relay 3 number point, which is NO point, okay. So we connect here. Now our holding connection and interlocking connection is done. Now we check how it works. Now we start control MCB, okay. When we press this push button, our this relay first relay operate permanently. Stop, start, stop, start, stop, okay. When we press this push button, this relay to start, stop, start, stop, start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. Now we understand how interlocking works, okay. When we press this push button, our first relay operate. At the same time, if we press reverse push button, yes, second relay push button, then this relay will not operate till we stop, okay. If you want to start this relay, then first you stop, then start, okay. First, if at the same time you operate first relay, it will not operate because of interlocking. That means by using interlocking, both relay or both contactors cannot operate at the same time. Interlocking also used in star delta starter and reverse forward starter, okay. Hope you understand the concept of interlocking. If you like video, please press like button. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today's enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.